Hi everyone, I'm back. Something just came by FedEx, I think. No, UPS. So I just got my bag today. My beautiful bag that I love so much. And I got this also for this bag. So I can put charms in them. This one is from Swarovski, Swarovski, whatever. I can't even pronounce that. But let me show you. It comes with this paperwork, blah blah blah, and it says I paid it through PayPal. I got it from the Swarovski's website. It gives me a thank you card for wishing you the best in 2020. Okay. I love the packaging. It's really professional and pretty. Tissue. This looks like something else. Come with a gift bag, but I don't need that because I'm going to use it today. I got this one specifically for this bag. Hopefully it goes. See? It's my bag charm, which is Year of the Rat mouse bag charm. I cannot talk today, I don't know why. But this is it. Thank you, God bless, and I'll talk to you later. Let me put it in my bag. It's supposed to go like this. Like that. I'm probably gonna remove this. It doesn't belong there anymore. What do you guys think? Should I leave it? Or should I leave this one? I don't know. So let me know what you think. On the other side, I have the other Swarovski also with chicken Swarovski to bring me luck. I think this is fine. It doesn't look bad. I like it. Thank you, God bless, and I should talk to you again later. I think this is the last purchase for now, for a little while. I have to save money before I can buy it again. And I just want to take a picture. Thank you.